Hi, welcome to the $10 million tutorial. This is a production of BNI TV, and this $10 million tutorial is designed to help businesses who currently generate between $200,000 and $2 million in revenue leapfrog to become a business worth at least $10 million. Now, we have 90 days in which we're going to share very specific, targeted content with you to help you grow your business much further than you ever thought possible. At times, we will have breaking news, and we will interject that news when it becomes available. And so today, I do have some breaking news I wanted to share. The reason I wanted to share this today is because I know there are a lot of businesses that are hurting right now. There are a lot of business owners who aren't achieving what they thought they might achieve by now. We want to help those business owners, especially leapfrog to the next level. And so this is a breaking news segment within the $10 million tutorial on BNI TV. This is my background, and now I can say that BNI members worldwide have generated over $18 billion for one another in the last year. So that may be a little bit of a hint for what this update is all about. This breaking news: over $18 billion in closed business between BNI members around the globe via over 12.2 million referrals. So we just got this data overnight, and I wanted to share this right away, and I'll share some key takeaways in just a moment. You know, as a leader of a growing business, you always have to think about ROI. And one of the things that we want to share about joining a referral network is the ROI. And so the average amount of revenue that a BNI member garnered over the last 12 months was over $60,000 US. That's in addition to all the other sales and marketing that they're doing. That's just from the BNI network, and that means over 40 referrals. And so that's per member on average. And so those referrals will generate revenue for those businesses for months and years to come. And so we wanted to share this data because we know as leaders of small businesses, we are all apt to try to do everything ourselves. And I want to remind you that you don't need to do it yourself. You can work with others to create the business of your dreams. That's what it's all about. And by the way, it's a lot more fun that way. So here are some key takeaways from today. Join a referral network. It works, and it works big time. Follow their program. Don't try to reinvent it. Don't reinvent the program. That's not why you're joining a referral network. And by the way, get a lot more than referrals. So referrals are absolutely the primary reason that you join a referral network in the first place. But once you join, what you find is lots of ideas, lots of advice, and lots of opportunities to benchmark against other leading companies who are trying to create the business of their dreams, and in many cases doing so. So we want to help you be very successful and to build a business that's worth at least $10 million. I want to share this data because it just came out last night. Incredible ROI. And so join a referral network, whether it's BNI or another network. We want to make sure that you're not out there on your own trying to build the business of your dreams. Work with others, work through others, support others. It's a lot more fun, fulfilling, and productive that way. So just want to share this. Congrats to BNI members worldwide on generating over $18 billion from fellow BNI members in the last year. And thank you to everyone who put this data together. We really appreciate it. And we'll be back to see you soon with the next segment of BNI TV's $10 million tutorial. Take care.